Imagine walking into a tire shop, and 30 minutes later, you walk out $400 poorer, with services you never asked for. And honestly, tires you didn't even need. They told you your alignment was mandatory. They sold you a warranty that will probably never pay out. And they convinced you your tires were dangerously worn, even though they actually had 20,000 miles left. And the worst part, you thanked them for it, because you had no idea you were being scammed. In this video, I'm exposing 7 tire shop scams exploding in 2026 that are costing drivers thousands of dollars every year. Some of these scams are so common, most people think they're just normal maintenance. By the end of this video, you'll know how these scams work, what to say when a shop tries them, and how to keep your money where it belongs, in your wallet. But hey, be warned, scam number 7 is so widespread that there's a good chance you've already fallen for it. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to Car Care Expert and turn on notifications, because every week I expose tricks the auto industry hopes drivers never learn. Alright, let's get into it. Scam number 1. The mandatory alignment lie. You walk into a tire shop for new tires. Before you even agree to anything, they say, "We'll also need to do a wheel alignment." That's another $150 to $200 added to your bill, and they say it like it's non-negotiable. But here's the truth. Alignment is not required when installing new tires. You only need an alignment if your car is actually out of alignment. There are 3 simple signs: uneven tire wear, the car pulling to one side, or a steering wheel that sits crooked while driving straight. If your tires wore evenly and your car drives straight, you probably don't need alignment at all. And here's the shady part. Alignment services are almost pure profit for shops. Minimal labor, no parts, just a machine and a printout. Some shops even perform fake alignments. They put your car on the rack, print a before and after report, and then never adjust a single bolt. So here's the rule. Always ask to see the initial alignment readings before approving the service. If everything is within manufacturer's specs, decline it. Scam number 2. The penny test trick. You've probably seen this trick before. A technician takes a penny, inserts it into your tire tread, Lincoln's head upside down. Then they say, if you can see the top of Lincoln's head, your tires are worn out. Technically, that's not wrong, but it's very misleading. The penny test measures 2/32 of an inch of tread, which is the legal minimum, but here's what they don't tell you. Most tire manufacturers recommend replacing tires at 4/32. Because honestly, performance in rain and emergency braking drops dramatically before you ever get down to 2/32. And this scam actually works in reverse. Some shops use the penny test to convince drivers that 3/32 or 4/32 tires are still fine. Why? Because they want you to come back later, when the tire is dangerously worn, and you need an urgent replacement. Instead, just spend $3 on a tread depth gauge. Check your tires yourself, and replace them when they hit 4/32, not when a penny says so. Scam number 3. The tire rotation upsell trap. Tire rotation every 5,000 to 6,000 miles is legitimate maintenance, but some shops have turned it into something else entirely, a sales opportunity. During the rotation, technicians inspect the tires, and suddenly they find problems. Maybe they say the tires are wearing unevenly, maybe they claim the pressure was wrong, or they start recommending new tires or nitrogen fills. In some extreme cases, I've even seen technicians overinflate tires during rotation to create abnormal center wear, then blame the driver later. But the worst version of this scam? Some shops charge for rotations they never actually perform. You pay $40, and the tires never moved. Here's a simple trick to protect yourself. Before the rotation, mark your tires with chalk or take photos of their positions. After the service, check if they were actually rotated. If they weren't, you just caught a scam. Scam number 4. The road hazard warranty trap. This one sounds great on paper. The shop says, for just $20 extra per tire, you get road hazard protection, meaning if you hit a nail or pothole, they'll replace the tire. Sounds amazing, right? Until you read the fine print. These warranties are loaded with exclusions. They often deny claims for things like improper inflation, overloading, missing rotation schedules, sidewall damage, cosmetic damage, and even off-road driving. In fact, claim denial rates for these warranties are estimated to be over 90%. That means the shop keeps the money almost every single time. It's basically pure profit, so instead of buying the warranty, just use that money to buy better quality tires. Scam number 5. The nitrogen tire scam. Some tire shops will, offer to fill your tires with nitrogen instead of regular air, and they'll charge $40 to $60 for it. They claim nitrogen will improve fuel economy, extend tire life, and hold pressure longer. But here's the reality. Regular air is already 78% nitrogen. Nitrogen filling simply increases that to around 95%. And independent testing shows the difference in pressure loss is about half a psi over an entire year. That's something you can easily offset by checking your tire pressure once a month, for free. Fuel economy improvements? Basically unmeasurable. Longer tire life? Also negligible. Shops push nitrogen because once they buy the machine, every fill is almost pure profit. Scam number 6. The so-called 6-year tire rule myth. Some tire shops, tell customers something that sounds pretty scary. Your tires are 6 years old, so they must be replaced immediately, regardless of tread, regardless of condition. But honestly, that's an exaggeration. The so-called 6-year rule became popular mainly as a way to sell replacements to drivers who barely put miles on their vehicles. Here's the truth. A 10-year-old tire with 7/32 tread and no cracking can be safer than a 2-year-old tire worn down to 3/32. Instead of focusing on age alone, look at tread depth, visible cracks, proper inflation, and structural damage. Those factors matter far more than the number of birthdays your tire has had. Scam number 7. The 2-tire replacement racket. You go in to fix one flat tire. The shop comes back and says, you need to replace at least 2 tires. They claim mismatched tread depth will damage your differential. That sounds serious, but in many cases it's not true. For front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive vehicles, replacing just one tire is usually perfectly safe, as long as the tread depth difference is less than 4/32 of an inch. For all-wheel drive vehicles, tread matching does matter more. But even then, many manufacturers allow up to 3/32 difference before recommending multiple replacements. Yet many shops immediately push customers into buying 2 or even 4 new tires. Why? Because that one repair suddenly turns into an $800 sale. Whenever a shop tells you multiple tires must be replaced because of tread differences, always get a second opinion. It could save you hundreds of dollars.